Hey guys, Sandy here, and I am up with my Citrus Twist Kill a Kit and non-layout share. Now, some of my layouts that I made with the Citrus Twist kit are going to be in my Follow a Sketch February series, so I don't want to share those layouts yet because they haven't shown yet here on YouTube, so I hope you'll bear with me. So I'll do this really quick. I have the thickers from High Five left. I used okay amount of them. I have these stickers left from the Crate Paper. Have a lot of these gone. This is awesome. This is what I have of the cut apart sheet left. I didn't touch the stamp, forgot about the little clip because it was attached to the stamp. I used a good amount of the tiny word stickers. I did not use the sheet torn from the book because it hurts my heart and I just can't do it. So I'm going to recycle it, so this book will hopefully be another book. This piece of this poor book will hopefully be another book. This is the paper I have left, just these little scraps. Neutral on this side and BAM! On the other side. For the ephemera pack, I used a lot. Look at all that. I am super, oops, missed one. Well, bam. Okay. Used a lot of these, and there are these big pieces. Like this, totally usable. That, I still have 2 frames, and both of the glitter frames. I used the regular frames. Some tickets, a dream big, love you tons, 1 cork star, and a tag. So that is it. I'm looking forward to my next Citrus Twist kit to see what I can do with it. And thanks so much for watching. And if you want to see the Citrus Twist layouts, watch Follow Sketch February. Bye guys.